Observing that use of toolkit for political propaganda can be banned in a democratic country like India, the Supreme Court on Monday refused to entertain a PIL seeking probe against Congress and its deregistration for allegedly creating a toolkit to malign the image of PM Narendra Modi on handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Japan will ship 1.3 million more doses of AstraZeneca plc's COVID-19 vaccine to Taiwan. India's rampaging COVID pandemic has cruelly exposed the deficiencies of its public health system. In India, one is accustomed to think of health as an individual responsibility, with governments or social system having little role to play in enhancing the collective health of citizens. In a significant overhaul of its examination schemes, the CBSE will conduct the class 10th and 12th board exams in two parts from the current 2021-22 academic session, with the first term questioning being objective while the second term exams will be subjective. Stan Swamy, the 84-year-old right activist priest who was in custody since October 2020 in the Algar Parishad case under an anti-terror law despite repeated pleas for bail on grounds of old age and poor health, died at a Mumbai hospital on Monday. A 15-year-old boy died after being stung by honeybees, following which his family members created ruckus at a hospital here in Maharashtra, alleging negligence in his treatment, police said on Tuesday. The political temperature in the state shot up on Monday with the suspension of 12 BJP MLAs for 1 year for creating a ruckus in assembly on the OBC quota issue and later allegedly misbehaving with the presiding officer Bhaskar Jadhav in the cabin of the deputy speaker. Maharashtra's former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh failed for the third time to appear before the Enforcement Directorate on Monday. Russian-made Sputnik V will soon become the third COVID vaccine to be made available for free at government-run vaccination sites in the country, Dr. N.K. Arora, chairperson of the center's COVID-19 working group, has said. After collaborating for Atrangi Re, Sara Ali Khan is set to reunite with Ananda L. Rai's next production film, which is titled Nakhre Wali. The actress will be seen as saying the titular role in the film.